In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Text-to-Speech AI tool for free. Many people don't know that Google has a text-to-speech AI tool that is free and it sounds natural. It has different voices and you can as well add emotions and gestures or edit how you want the voice to sound. So in this video, I'll be walking you through step by step how to use Google free text-to-speech AI tool to generate voiceovers and turn your text into speech. So the first step you need to do is to head over to aistudio.google.com. Then you sign in with your Google account. Once you sign in with your Google account, it's going to bring you here. This is the dashboard and you're going to see native speech generation. You can click on it or you can come to generate media. Once you come to generate media, you're going to see Gemini speech generation. You click on it as well. So either you come to generate media or on the first page, home page or dashboard, click on native speech generation. Then it's going to bring you here. And one good thing about Google AI text-to-speech is that it has multiple speakers. You can have a conversational audio or text-to-speech with this, and you can have a single speaker. So depending on which one you want, you can come over here and select single speaker. These are the different models that you can choose to run with. Leave it at the 2.5 Pro. Then here you will see the model. Under model settings, you can adjust the temperature. Then below here, you're going to see different voices you can work with. Let's play this.
Ready to build something awesome today? Got a project in mind. What do you want to explore? Ready to make something amazing? What sparks your interest?
So you see there are different voices here, male and female voices. All you need to do is to play around it and choose the one that you prefer or that is okay with you. And there you go. Once you select the voice you want to use, let's say I select this one, this last one, then you come over to this place. This is where you enter your text, what you want this AI to turn into speech. Here you can add an instruction. Here it says read aloud in a warm and friendly tone. Here you can give an instruction. Maybe you want an Asian accent, you want a slow tone, you want the person to be very fast. You can give the style instruction, how you want your audio to sound. So this is one good thing about Google AI text-to-speech tool that many text-to-speech tools do not give you except you pay for it. So here I just entered the text and I said welcome to this tutorial. Then you click run.
Welcome to this tutorial.
Can you see it? It has generated the speech. If you want to download it, you simply come here and click on download. There is no limit to the number of text this can create. All you need to do is to enter your text, no matter the number of characters the text has, and it's going to turn it into speech for you. Remember, you can add your style, your tone, the emotions, the gestures, how you want the audio to sound. And once you have entered the instruction, you enter your text and you click run. So instead of going out there to spend heavily on so many AI tools, you can use this tool to turn your text into speech, download it and make use of it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, drop a comment and turn on the notification bell.